Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today's video would again be a video which is related to nails, but this would not be a regular nail swatch video which I usually do on my channel. I used to love painting my nails and creating different sort of nail art design on my nails, but that was almost a year ago. In the past year, I haven't actually done anything to my nails, but in today's video, I would be sharing a very quick and very easy nail art tutorial with you guys. Today, I would be using water decals to create this particular manicure which I have on my nails right now, and would also be sharing with you how to use water decals. It is not actually always possible to go to a nail salon and get your nails done, and there are certain times when we feel like having something special on our nails without actually going to a nail salon and paying to get our nails done. Water decals or nail stickers are an excellent option for that, especially if you do not have patience to actually create designs on your nails. These water decals are the easiest, the most affordable, I would say, and the least tedious of all the different nail art techniques that I have used so far. These water decals actually come in a variety of options and they're easily available on Amazon. I'll just quickly show you how a sheet of water decal looks like. So this is how a sheet of water decal looks like. It actually contains strips for all 10 of your nails in different sizes, so that you can easily cover all 10 of your nails depending on the size and shape of your nails. So yes, I would be using one of these stickers on my nails today, and again I am showing you this is what I am going to create today. It is a very simple procedure if you do it right. I would be telling you each and every step you need to take care, with some tips and tricks in between, so that you can also get a perfect mani in the comfort of your home without actually paying someone else to do your nails. So now, without talking further, let's get into the tutorial. So my nails are actually ready for decal application. This is the particular decal that I would be using and applying on, I guess, 2 of my nails. Before starting the application of this water decal, I would just tell you what do I have on my nails. My base color, I have this Shimbo Gel Effect nail polish in the shade 101, and on top of that I have this particular Nykaa Matte Power matte top coat which has made my nails look matte. So yes, this is what I'm using as my base coat. Okay, so now what all do we need for applying water decal? We need a little bowl of water, which I have taken a regular water bowl which is not very deep, obviously the water decals, and I have actually taken this little spatula which is supposed to be used for the eyelashes, but I find it a little easier to pick the water decal using this particular spatula. Also, I would be needing a pair of scissors to cut these water decals. Okay, so I'll just start by cutting this particular decal. Now I'm actually planning to use these decal on, I guess, these 2 of my nails. So I would have to measure which nail size should I be using. I'll just cut all 5 of them first, and then we'll see which one should I use on which of my finger. Okay, so I have all 5 of these decal with me, and I'll just quickly measure which one should I apply on my second finger. Okay, this one seems fine. Now comes the main part. Make sure that the water is actually at the room temperature. So now this is the little pattern which we have to apply. It has a little plastic shield over it. I hope you can see. This is the little plastic sheet that I removed from this particular design. So this needs to be removed before putting the design into the water. Now I have removed the plastic shield. I would be dipping my design in the water. It takes a few seconds for the design to come out. So I'll just dip the design in the water for a few seconds and let's see how does it work. Now it's been a few seconds, and if you can see, the design is already separating from the base. So I'll just pick the design with the base and just slightly slide it over. You can see it's already separated from the base. Now I would take my spatula and pick the design like this. Now I actually have the design with me right now, and I would apply it onto my nails on a 45-degree angle, just like this, so that there is no air bubble in between. And just, you can use your finger or anything you want. I'm just using a finger to make the design look even. These water decals are actually very thin and they stick very nicely. So all you need to do is just be a little patient while applying these. Just fold the excess on the edges of your nails. And wait for it to dry. See, this is how the water decal looks right now. It is definitely a little excess. You can always remove it later. So now while this is actually drying, I would take another one of these and will just repeat the process. Okay, so now it's been a few minutes and both of these are actually dry. So I'll just quickly remove it just like that. You can also use a nail filer, but this works decently fine for me. That's why I'm just removing the excess from the edges. Another thing that you can do is take a little bit of makeup remover and a little brush and just remove the excess using this. After cleaning, this is how the water decal looks on my nails. Now the final step is just to add a little bit of top coat just to seal the design. For my top coat, I am just using this Sally Hansen Super Shine Shiny Top Coat, which is actually completely opposite to what I have on my other nails. So that's how my nails look like after they are completely done. Welcome back. Hope you have liked today's video. Today's video, I actually just applied water decal on two of my nails because that is what I wanted today. But if you are interested in seeing another tutorial on another color, maybe on all 5 of my nails, then do let me know in the comment section down below. Or if you have any questions related to water decals, then also you can write me in the comment section down below and I would be happy to share my experience with you. These water decals, as I said earlier, are available on Amazon, and if you are interested in buying these, I would be linking them in the description box down below. I would be giving a few options to you guys so that you can select and buy as per your requirements. So that's it for today's video. I am actually planning to get into my nail art again, and in the future I would be doing more nail art tutorials, not just with water decals or streakers, but the manual methods also, and all the different nail art techniques that are seen on YouTube. So if you are interested in seeing a particular sort of a video, or you want me to recreate a particular nail art design, then do let me know in the comment section down below, or do send me a picture of the particular nail art you want me to recreate, or maybe a technique you want me to give a tutorial on. If you liked today's video and would like to see more nail art tutorials on this channel, then do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and do consider subscribing to my channel. That's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.